Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making Snow Lotus Seed Peach Gum Dessert. This peach gum dessert is one of my family's most favorite desserts. Rich in collagen, its cost is at just a fraction of the price of bird nest. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 30 grams of peach gum, 15 grams of snow lotus seeds, 20 grams of snow fungus, 2 honey dates, 30 grams of seedless dry jujube, 30 grams of dry longan, 2000 grams of water, and 200 grams of white rock sugar. Peach gum, snow lotus seeds, and snow fungus need to be soaked in advance before cooking. Here we'll be soaking the peach gum and snow lotus seeds separately in cold water overnight or for at least 8 hours. The peach gum and snow lotus seeds will usually expand 2 to 3 times its original size during the process. For the snow fungus, we'll also be soaking it in cold water overnight or for at least 8 hours until it softens. And likewise, the white fungus will also expand during the process to about 1 to 2 times its original size and become somewhat translucent. So after soaking, we usually remove the hard parts of the snow fungus as only the soft parts are used in making the dessert. Rinse it thoroughly and drain. Then, cut the snow fungus into small pieces with a pair of scissors. After having prepared all the ingredients, we can now start making our peach gum dessert. To start off, we'll first need to pour the water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Then, add in the snow fungus, honey dates, dry jujube, and dry longans. Once they are added in, cover and simmer for about 1 hour and 30 minutes until the snow fungus are tender. We are using a slow cooker here, but you may use practically any pot to cook this, and it will work just fine. Here we have our soaked snow lotus seeds and peach gum. This is basically how it will look like after soaking. Having said that, at this stage, there will also be many dirt and dark impurities in the peach gum that will be visible to our eyes. We'll need to rinse it thoroughly with water until it is clean. Now, we need to add in the white rock sugar and simmer till all the sugar dissolves. As the sugar dissolves, it's time to add in the cleaned snow lotus seeds and peach gum. We'll need to let it cook continuously for another 5 minutes or so. Do also take note that snow lotus seeds and peach gum cannot be cooked for too long as they too will dissolve into the soup. And there you go, your very own snow lotus seed peach gum dessert. This dessert can usually be served hot or chilled. And to store it, you can divide the peach gum dessert into individual portions and pour them into airtight containers separately. All you need to make sure is to cover it tightly and to keep it chilled in the refrigerator. If properly stored, they can maintain at their top quality for about a week or so. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.